students, welcome, and today we will discuss speaking part 1. The topic is cooking. So the questions are as follows. The first one is, do you do some cooking slash help your family cook at home? Now this is asking you whether do you cook with your family members or do you like cooking in general? Now you can say no, you do not help your family members while they are cooking food. Why? Because you are not interested, you do not have time. But here I have said yes. So sample answer is definitely I love cooking and often help my family prepare meals at home. Moreover, I enjoy making pasta as well as continental food and feel that it is a great way to spend time together with everyone. If you like a certain cuisine, for example, you like Italian cuisine or Chinese cuisine, you can say you help your family members to prepare for those cuisines because certain dishes are more about preparation. So you can say you help your family members in cutting vegetables or cutting ginger juliennes or slicing onions, something along those lines. And it helps to spend time together with everyone. Cooking is a social thing, it's a social habit, so it requires a lot of people, so it helps you to spend time with everyone, your friends, your family, or other people that you don't know. Also it helps you to make friends as well. Second question is, do you think your home is clean and tidy? Now please answer this question as a yes. Don't say, oh, my home is not tidy or clean. That doesn't give you a good impression. So you can say, yes, of course. I make sure that my house is always in immaculate condition. Immaculate condition means pristine condition. Pristine condition is very good, very nice, very clean condition. I try to keep everything organized and tidy by categorizing items and maintaining a regular cleaning schedule. You can say, I try to keep everything nice and tidy by cleaning my house every weekend or every day. I do vacuuming. I use the vacuum to clean the floor, or I use moppers, electronic moppers to mop the floor, something along those lines. Okay, and I try to keep everything organized and tidy by categorizing items. Categorizing items means making sure that items are kept by their similarities. Okay, so for example, you keep all the items, all the plastic containers together and all the plastic bags together. So one side has plastic containers, one drawer has plastic bags. The third question is, did you do some house cleaning when you were young? So this question is asking, when you were young, did you do cleaning? You can say yes. I did my fair share of house cleaning when I was young. My parents encouraged me to participate in the chores. Chores means household things that are needed to be done daily, which helped me develop sense of responsibility and teamwork. As I alluded before, like kitchen duties, cleaning duties are also part of teamwork. It is very difficult for one person to do everything. So people divide things. So someone cleans the washroom, the other person cleans the bedrooms. So the fourth question is, do you have breakfast at home every day? Now you can answer no. I do not have breakfast every day at home because I do not get the time to have my breakfast. But here I have answered yes. Yes, I have my breakfast at home every day or daily, as it is said to be the most important meal of the day. Certain doctors believe that breakfast is the most important meal as it rejuvenates your body. Okay. Question number 5. Do you want to learn how to cook well? Lay the emphasis on cooking well. It's not asking you do you want to learn how to cook, cook and cooking well. There is a paradigm shift. Okay. So what does it mean by cooking well? It means that you know different kinds of cuisines. You know a certain cuisine and you want to expand your horizons. So you can say, I believe that currently I am really good at cooking. Certain types of cuisines such as Italian and Chinese. Here you are saying that you already know to cook certain kind of cuisines. You know how to cook Mediterranean cuisine. You know how to cook Italian cuisine. But I would love to increase my repertoire. You would love to increase your rapport and become versed in Mexican and Indian food as well. Becoming versed means becoming knowledgeable, being able to cook in this case. Okay. Question number 6. What housework do you like or dislike doing? Lay the emphasis on or. You can answer what you like or what you dislike. This it's an option. You don't have to answer both. Okay. So the answer is my favorite household duties include cooking and organizing spaces as it provides me a sense of comfort. Now here your answer can stop because here you are telling what you like to do. Now let's go what you are going to say if you dislike something. Why on the other hand, I'm not particularly fond of cleaning the washroom, but I still do it regularly to maintain cleanliness. For your answer, for dislike, you can say, I'm not particularly fond of cleaning the washroom, but I still do it regularly to maintain cleanliness. So, this is part of dislike. Okay. So this completes speaking part 1 and thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button